Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Christmas week. It is Monday. It's a soggy one out there. I'm going to say it once. Please be careful. I have 99% of my Christmas holiday food shopping done. I just need to pick up a few items that are basically like fresh items, like green onions, parsley, cilantro, things that, you can't store for too long. So yeah, last night we had a treat from the English kitchen. We tried one of her soups. I love her soups. Easy cheesy sausage chowder. Very good and easy. So the recipe is available. So give it a try. All right. Tonight, it's breakfast for dinner. This is something I played with over the last couple days. Breakfast quesadillas. Let's get to it. And we're going to be playing with 3 eggs, a little bit of milk, some link sausage, butter, diced red onion, diced red bell pepper, some diced jalapenos. Yes, diced. Kosher salt, black pepper, some paste picante salsa. God, that's an old standby. That's actually going to be more of a garnish. Sour cream as a garnish. Some sharp cheddar cheese, or as the folks in the UK say, strong cheddar cheese, and of course, tortillas. Should be a fun dinner. I'm going to have fun putting it together for Robin and I. I'm no longer cooking for 1. I'm now cooking for 2. Last night was our last formal or informal, I don't know how you say it, date night. We're still going to continue to have date nights. Robin will be having influence, obviously, on what I prepare for dinners, because I'm cooking for 2. So we're both happy. Yeah. Are you ready for Christmas? Like I said, I basically am. Things are already in the works here. The real cooking starts tomorrow. Yes, Tuesday. All right. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.